We're going to be draining our extractor to show you how much dirt we have picked up. Today we're going to be cleaning these Corolla seats with deep stains on them. First thing we're going to do is agitate the stain, so we're going to use an all-purpose cleaner and detergent and use a drill brush as well. Now we're going to use our extractor to pick up all the dirt we have agitated. Now that the driver's side is about done, we're going to be doing the rest off camera. Here we're going to be showing you how the chairs turned out, and as you can see, we took out most of the stains and it looks way better than when it came in. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you would like to see next. See you next time.